breakfast. Like that. Let's see how long it takes me to get sick of peanut butter.
Good morning.
We're about, I don't know, almost 3 miles into our day, and we are headed to Irwin to have lunch with one of our subscribers that reached out to us, so that's pretty cool. And I'm hoping I can find myself some sunscreen. So that's today's agenda, and then I think we have a big climb later this afternoon, and tomorrow we have the beauty spot. We're feeling good. We're feeling like we could probably push another mile or two than we did yesterday. We did almost 16 yesterday. But this has been like a really easy section. This is where we're coming from. We're headed this way. Anything?
No.
It's starting to get buggy out little by little.
Yeah. Mosquitoes.
Yeah, just wait till we get back home. The mosquitoes are gonna be like the size of cars.
Yeah. Alright, I don't want to tighten up.
Alright. We will check back in later. We've been gifted with the last mile or two of the day going straight up. Up, up, up. I don't know, we're either gonna stop at like 15 and a half or 16 and a half. I don't know. I think I've spent half this day out of breath. And I forgot how much I sweat. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's been a long day. It's like going on 6 o'clock now. But we just got a late start. Are you farting? You sure? Probably farting. It's a safe bet. Come on.
Someone got some meat in the back, I guess.
That's fine.
So we just got picked up by a guy named Jim, who Jay apparently knows one of Jay's coworkers back at home knows him because he's originally from New Jersey.
Which is such a small world.
It's so weird. He literally lives like 3 miles from the trailhead, so that's pretty cool. And we are gonna go have lunch with them. This is like where we are right now. So there are railroad tracks, and then right over the railroad tracks is the river. Who do we have here?
Ruby.
Who is this? Say my name is Ruby. I'm 1.5 years old and I have the softest ears in all the land.
Oh boy.
Yes. So Jim and his wife back here, they own this old hotel that shut down right as World War II started.
We're all excited. We thought, oh yeah, I think they're going to come and visit us. Yeah, that's nice.
So this was an old hotel.
Yeah, this was the United Springs Hotel
Wow.
back at the turn of the century.
That's so cool.
It was much bigger. It was 4 times longer and another story high.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What happened? It just...
People started tearing the lumber down to build houses.
Really?
Yeah, they actually did. They tore the whole 3rd floor off.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so there's a bunch of houses here made out of this place.
This is so awesome. Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. What's that?
Hi, Ruby. Come on. Come on.
Back up, Rube.
Oh boy, do we have stories for you people. There's Uncle Johnny's ahead. Right there. Jim just dropped us off. We're gonna do another 8 miles to Indian Grave Gap. We're actually gonna spend the night with them. They offered, which is so kind of them. He's been telling us all these stories, these local stories about the people in Irwin, just this tiny little mountain town. And lo and behold, I guess his family owns a lot of property right by where his house is. And they've put up hikers for many years. So he's talking and he says, yeah, there was we had this blind hiker come through one year. And Jay said, do you mean Bill Irwin? I was like, yeah, he hiked with a German Shepherd. He stayed with us. And it was just crazy because that book is the very first time that he ever heard about the Appalachian Trail and what made him want to hike it years ago in the first place. And they put Bill Irwin and his dog up. I just thought that was so cool. It's like amazing the people that you meet, the stories that you hear. We have maybe 0.6 or 7 to go until Jim picks us up. And I don't know what my issue is, last like 4 miles, but I'm just like in a daze kind of. And this is later than we normally hike, so by now I've normally eaten dinner. I have a feeling it has to do with not having enough food at the moment. Because I have like a few snacks with me and I just ate one of them and it perked me up a little bit, but I don't know. The last couple miles I've kind of felt miserable. Nothing really hurts. I just feel insanely like drained, like I should be asleep. So I typically don't like starting miles at 3 o'clock. I'm also like tripping every quarter mile on something. I just like need this day to be over. Yeah, I don't know. I have a feeling it has to do with food and also just being out in the sun beating down all day. But it's a pretty section. It's been a little rockier, but nothing too bad. I don't know how much more video I'm going to take tonight. I know Jay hasn't really been on a lot of this. I might just say goodnight now because I have a feeling when I stop hiking I'm gonna be dead to the world. So, catch you all later. Have a good night.
Ruby. Hi.
Good morning. It's Thursday, April 25th. And I had like a rough start to the morning. I don't know, just kind of a continuation from yesterday, being tired, I guess, and But I'm feeling better now. I just had to kind of get going.
This place is pretty incredible. So today we are attempting our first 20. We are at 18 and a half, and we got a good mile climb uphill to make it 20. When we started this thing, 20 seemed like so out of reach, but I don't know, we're doing it. It's pretty exciting. It's kind of like that, it's like a milestone you work up to, and when we finally do it, it's gonna feel really good. It was I'm not gonna say it was an easy day, but let's just say the terrain allowed for it a little bit. There was still a ton of up and down, but I don't know. We're just feeling good, and we took plenty of breaks. We didn't even get on trail till 9 o'clock this morning. So, had to have been the $12 McDonald's breakfast I had before I got on trail. So, and I'm assuming here's our mountain right in front of us.
How do you feel about our first 20?
Feels good.
It does feel good. We're tired. There better not be any whippoorwills tonight, or I'm gonna burn this place to the ground.